Good evening. How are you? Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so today, you've got a long hair now.
What?
Your hair is long.
Long? Yeah, it's longer.
Yeah, it becomes longer. And Teacher Anne's hair is quite short now.
Oh,
Can you see?
yeah, I see.
I've got a short hair. Okay. So are you?
What?
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm great.
Okay, quite busy?
No.
Because today is what they call that one? It's it.
Uh, we have we have a TED holiday.
Okay, how about can we have class tomorrow?
Tomorrow was tomorrow is Sunday.
Yeah, because you are
Why?
free. What time are you free tomorrow? Morning. Are you free in the morning?
I'm free all day because it is TED holiday.
Okay, so tomorrow morning, are you free? We'll have class.
Why?
So because we do have a lot of absences before, right? Because teacher Ann is not available and you are very busy too. So maybe we can have class tomorrow. Morning or afternoon? What do you want?
Evening.
Okay, evening. What time? 8 p.m. again?
Yeah, 8 p.m. again.
Okay, so I will see you at 8 p.m. again tomorrow. But for now, I will share to you. Let us have me. We don't need to use another topic. So we're using now higher topic, higher. Okay, this one. Okay. So this one me, this is on how we're going to talk about travel English. Okay. So when you travel, okay. So when you travel, you are gonna use this one. Okay. First, you will gonna look for a hotel, a place to stay. Of course, very important because we need some place for us to stay. And that's very important, right? That's very important, a place to stay. Okay, next one. Okay, what kind of room do you prepare to stay in hotel?
Kind of room.
Yeah, what kind of room do you prepare to stay in the hotel? Example, you will be staying in the hotel. What kind of room is that you would like to stay?
I don't know, just a beautiful room.
Yes, just a beautiful room. Okay, anything that is quite comfortable, maybe. Okay, let us have here the dialogue me, and then after that, let us read the dialogue, and then after you will gonna have to tell me. Okay, later. Okay, I am Josh and you are Emma. Okay, ready? Good morning. This is Bridget Hotel. How may I help you?
Morning. May I make a booking for 3 nights from next Tuesday?
Sure. Can I have your name, please?
Emma King, my husband, and I'll be celebrating our anniversary. Do you have any suites or large double bedrooms available?
May I suggest the presidential suite? You can enjoy discount if you book now. The room overlooks the beach. It's extremely spacious and it comes with complimentary breakfasts.
Sounds nice. How much is it?
Mm-hmm. Where the discount, it would be $300 per night.
Okay, I would like to book a presidential suite then.
Okay, very good. So what do you think they're talking about?
They are talking about a booking room for 3 nights.
Okay. So do you think, what room did you choose at the end?
What?
What room did you choose at the end? You choose the
Uh, room? Double bedrooms.
okay, double bedroom, double bed. Okay, how much is the cost?
$300 per.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it's $300 per night. Do you think this is expensive or no? Do you think this is expensive or no?
Wait. Um, expensive? Oh, I think expensive.
Mm-hmm. Okay, do you think it's expensive?
Yes, expensive.
Yeah, it's quite expensive. That's $300 in my country. That is um like 15,000 peso. How about in your country? How much is $300?
Uh, um, seven,
Mm-hmm.
seven. Wait. Wait, wait. 7,500,000.
Uh,
7,500,000 dong.
wow. It's 7,500,000 dong. Hey, that's quite a lot of money. 7 million dong. Okay, so this one. Now you have here, please write your answer in the chat box about this one. If you still remember, we're talking about the hotel room. Okay? Me, for a while, wait me. I'll just go to the bathroom, ha? You wait,
Okay.
teacher.
Teacher, I don't know number three.
Okay. So what type of room does Emma choose?
Double bedroom.
Okay. So what are your main concerns when booking at the hotel? Example, you will book a hotel. What will be your main concern? What do you
I
want to
can
know?
search for the room price.
Correct. Very good. The room price, of course. What's next? What else? Okay. What is it? Okay, another aside from the
I
room
think
price. What else?
the other main concerns is the hotel have to reputation and quality.
Okay, like that. Now, what other ways are there to book in the hotel? What other ways? Like you were gonna book through internet. What else? How you were gonna book a hotel?
No,
What?
number three.
Yeah, yeah. What other ways are there to book a hotel?
I don't know.
Okay, like of course you can book through the hotel. Okay, you can book through phone. Okay, you can email when you try to book. Okay, that's common. Okay, now let us have this. Now, me, please match the words with the pictures and the meanings. Okay, Please match the words with the pictures and the meaning.
I finish.
Okay. So matching the words with the pictures and the meaning. Okay, this is sweet. Okay, letter C. It's connected with the rooms views together. Complementary. What is complementary? Given free as a gift. Okay, example. You are gonna have a complimentary breakfast. It means that's for free. Discount. To offer sale at reduced price. Very good. And of course, double bed. It's a bed large enough for two adults. Yeah, very good. Okay, next one. Now, sort the answer in the correct boxes. Please sort the answer in the correct boxes. Tama na, Bin. Ano kaya, Bin? Tama ka na? Please sort the answers in the correct boxes. Araw-araw. Nabay, Bin and Bin, araw-araw, day. Nice nga ta, day.
I finished.
You tell me if you're done, ha? Sorry, Ni, because Teacher Ann has a headache.
May I book a double bedroom?
Okay, correct. What else?
How much does a room per night? And do you have free breakfast available?
Okay. So what else? You
Yeah,
have
may I book?
anything? How much? How much is the okay? Example, you don't have complimentary breakfast. You will gonna going to ask. Of course, before you have to ask how much is the food prices because there are some hotels that selling or that sells what they call it one very hard or very expensive. Okay, now visitor and staff. Okay, so you can see in here. May I book a room for 3 nights from July? Okay, so I am the visitor and you are the staffs. Hello, may I book a room for 3 nights from July 21?
Yes, the room also comes with oh wait, sure. Can I have your name, please?
Okay, my name is, I am the visitor. My name is Ella.
Yes, the room also comes with a complimentary breakfast.
It is complimentary breakfast. Okay, so do you have any suites available?
Uh, After the discount, it's $100.
It's $100. Okay, how much is it? Okay, so these are sample dialogue, very simple on how you will going to say. Okay, another one. Okay, after you book a room, you will gonna have to confirm your travel. Okay. Sorry ha, I have a headache me. I am so sorry ni. Okay, so this one, can you see this? Can you see? Okay, so you will gonna have to confirm your booking. Okay. First, what information might you need to double check with the hotel? Okay, so you already booked, so you have to confirm. So what do you think? How you will gonna confirm?
You need to double check in hotel uh, information about the key to open the door, uh, uh, the
Okay. So what information might you need to double check with the hotel? Of course, the keys. How much is the price? Is the hotel bed already clean and ready to go? So those are the concerns. Okay, so let us have here dialogue about checking out how to confirm your booking. I am receptionist and you are customer. Your name is Ella, okay? Good afternoon, Ella. This is W Hotel. How can I help you?
I'm calling to confirm my booking for tomorrow. It should be for 3 nights, and the name is Joe King.
Okay, so hold on. Let me just check that for you.
I made my booking last Thursday, if that helps.
Hey, yes, I've got down 3 nights in a twin room from 21st to 23rd of May. Is there anything else you need, sir?
Great. Is breakfast included in the free?
Yes, it is. Breakfast is served from 7 to 9 a.m. at our cafe.
Yes, but there's a charge of $30.
Okay. So I'll just grab yes, but this is a charge at $30. Okay, so you have to grab a cab instead. So what do you think they're talking about? They're talking about now the first.
Yeah.
They're talking about
Confirm about the customer booking for tomorrow.
okay, customers booking. Okay, what do you think or what time do you think is the breakfast being served? Breakfast is being served at what time?
7 to 9 a.m.
Okay. So how much is the charge if ever you will gonna collect it from the airport? The charge is how much? You will gonna
Charge
charge?
is $30.
Okay, $30. That's quite expensive too. You will gonna charge $30. Okay. Now, what information does Ju confirm with the receptionist? What information? Okay, you talk, please try to look at this one. After a while, you tell me, huh? We still have 4 minutes. Done? Okay, you're done? Okay, now? Okay.
No, no, no.
What information does Ju confirm with the receptionist? What do you think? What information do you think? About?
About the date to go to the hotel and included free breakfast.
Okay, very good. So when you confirm your booking, what information should you give? Example, you will gonna confirm and they will gonna ask you information. What information do you think?
Um, Information about the day we will spend, we will live in the hotel, uh, and confirm our our name, like that.
Okay. So what other ways might you be able to confirm your booking? What other ways? You can call, right? You can
Yeah.
message, you can do email, or you can visit personally. But nowadays, it is easier for you to contact via online. It could be Zillow, it could be Facebook. Okay, you can do that for you to become easier, right? Now, please try to match this. Write the letter of your choice. Please match. One is Okay, Pastor Ngi. Okay, confirm. Okay, I'm calling to confirm some details. Is there any additional charge for blank B from Central Station? What is the answer? It is ask for additional service. Is the internet blank in the fee? In the fee, it is the internet. The internet is next. Do you block room service after 10 p.m.? Okay. So, do you block room service after 10 p.m.? The answer is collecting. Okay. So, Ngi, sorry, Ngi, we don't have enough time for now. Okay. Let us continue the second. We had two lessons today. Tomorrow, 8 p.m., let us continue and let's move again to travel English. We will finish everything in written here. Okay? I hope I can see you 8 p.m. tomorrow. Again,